Hi everyone, here we've got Honor 7C and let me show you how to add a photo to a contact in this device. So first of all, let's open your contact list. Let's tap on Allow. And here we have to find the contact you want to edit. So let me pick, for example, this one. Simply tap on the one you want to edit and tap on this pencil icon. It should be right in the middle. Now let's tap on this profile picture. And here we can either take a photo and your device will open the camera app, or simply choose a photo from your gallery. So let me pick choose a photo. I will pick something from the gallery. Now let's choose the photo you want to add. And now we have to crop the picture, so we can use our gallery or Google Photos. So I will pick Google Photos, for example, and just once. And as you can see, at this step we can adjust the size of the square, and thanks to this we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact. So simply place the face or whatever it is on your photo inside the square, and we can change the angle, we can rotate the picture. It's up to you how you want to set it. And if you are happy with the results, click on Done right here. As you can see, it immediately appears right on the contact. Remember to tap on the stick icon in the right upper corner. It is also visible here. Let's get back, and it appears on our contact list, so it means that we will be able to see it while all incoming calls from that number. So actually that's all. This is how to add a profile picture in your Honor 7C. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.